Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear children. Can you all hear me?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
You
Good
can hear me
morning,
perfectly.
ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, my dear children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes,
Good morning, ma'am.
very good morning. Do you all have your workbook with you, dear children?
Yes.
Yes,
ma'am.
everybody is having. Have you completed this question number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody has completed.
Yes.
Who is there, dear? Wait, I
Ma'am,
will
your
mute her. Sorry?
Ma'am, your sound is not clear.
Not
Your
clear.
sound is coming ego.
That's your audios are on. That's why. Please mute your audios and we can check.
Okay,
Sorry,
ma'am.
please mute your audio. Yes, yes, yes. Now, echo is there? No, no. Okay. So, I think almost everybody is there. Can we start?
Yes.
So, dear children, who is singing like this? Okay, dear children, please open your workbook. We can start.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Page number 20. Page number
Good morning,
20.
ma'am.
Yes, very good morning.
Ma'am, page number 20.
Yes, page number 20. Question number 13. So, now I muted you all. One by one, I'll give chance to read the questions. Okay? Now, other, please unmute and read the question. Question number 13. Unmute. Wait, other. Now unmute. Yes. Read question number 13.
Write the smallest and largest four-digit number among
Hmm.
2,400,
Hmm.
4,200,
Yes.
2,200,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
4,400.
Yes. So you have to find the smallest number and the largest number from these numbers. So which will be the smallest number?
2,400.
2,400. We can check the numbers. Okay. Here 2,400, 4,200, 2,200 and 4,400. These are the numbers. First, what you want to do when we are comparing numbers?
Look at the digits.
Number of digits. Now, here how many digits are there? For all the numbers, how
Four.
many digits? 4. So, same number of digits, we can't compare. Then what we have to check?
The first number.
First digit. That means 1,000 place digit. Here the thousands place digits you have to check. Here, for the first number, how many thousands are there?
2.
2. Second number, how many thousands are there?
4.
4. Third number?
2.
2. Then again?
4.
4. As we have to find the smallest number, we don't want to consider now these 4s because that is greater for thousands, isn't it? 4,000, 4,000.
Ma'am, next also same itself.
Then what we want to do? If it is same, we can't say like this. We have what we want to do? if the thousands place digits are same, what do you have to do? What do you have to do? Other?
Check the next digit.
We have to check the, here we have to check the 100 place digits. First, for the first number, how many hundreds are there?
4.
4 hundreds. Then, this one we don't want to consider. For the next number, how many hundreds are there?
2.
2. These two we are comparing. So, which is the less number, less 400 or 200, which is less?
200.
So, which will be the least number, smallest number?
2200.
Yes. Now, understood your mistake? Have you understood?
Yes.
2200. Then, which will be the largest number?
4.
Two numbers is there, no, with the 4000s.
4400.
Yes, very good. That is correct. 4400. Correct answer. Thank you, Ada.
Okay, ma'am.
Be careful, okay? When you are doing comparison.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. You can mute your audio now. Next, I want Shringa. Please unmute. Unmute here. What happened? Unmute here. Touch on the audio symbol and unmute. Sorry? It's not working. Okay, I'll come to you later. Okay? Next, I will come for the next question. Now, let me ask you, Anne Maria. Wait. I want. Maybe I'll come to you now. I can't see her face also. So I will be next. I want. Yes. Adwaida, please unmute and read next question. Adwaida. Unmute. Adwaida, please unmute. Dear children, can you all hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Adwaida.
Yes, ma'am.
Now keep your audio muted. Only Adwaida unmute and read. Adwaida. Yes. Read the question.
The smallest and the largest number, Emma, 1428, 9240, 2584, 2362, and 1024.
Okay. So, will you say which is the smallest number among these numbers? 1470. Sorry?
1024.
1024. Correct. One smallest number is 1024. Okay. Now, largest number?
9240.
9240. Yes. Correct answer. Dear children, when we are comparing these numbers 2584 and 8362, then 1024. Here you can see, for getting the smallest number, these two numbers have 1000s. All other numbers have greater thousands. So we can't consider for getting the smallest number. From here 0 hundreds, here 4 hundreds. 0 is least, so smallest number we can write 1024. For getting greatest number, it is easy because here this number is only having 9000s. All other number has greater, lesser thousands. Okay. Next question. Thank you, Advaita. Next, I want Prarthana. Please unmute and read.
Yes, ma'am.
Others, please mute your audio. Except Prarthana, everybody mute your audio. Yes.
Ma'am, can I read the question?
Yes, you have to read the question.
Write the smallest and the largest numbers in 863, 3972, 183, and 748.
Yes. Which will be the smallest?
183.
Yes. Because we have to consider the 3-digit numbers for getting smallest number. In that, here 100 is less, so 180. Then
The largest number is
3.
3972.
Yes, 3972, because only that number has 4 digits.
4-digit number.
Okay. Thank you, dear. Please
Thank
mute.
you, ma'am.
Sweden, please unmute. Yes. Question B. 15th one, B. 462, 2973, 324 and 268. Which is the smallest? Sweden.
268.
Sorry?
268.
Very good. It's correct. Because only these two number has 3 digits. Other two numbers, no. These 3 numbers have 3 digits. In that, 200 is less. Other numbers have 300 and 400. Yes. Now, which is the largest?
2973.
Very good, dear. Very good. Because that number only has 4
Ma'am,
digits.
you write largest and largest. One is smaller and one is largest.
Smaller.
This third
Sorry?
question B.
Question B is smallest and largest.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. We have to find the smallest and largest number among the following. Yes. Any doubt? Any doubt in that, dear? Okay. Next, I want Shri Bhadra. Please unmute.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Who is calling me?
She's telling in that A you near right. That small, she's telling you write the B question largest and largest.
No, it is smallest and largest. Smallest and largest.
Ma'am, that downwards, she's telling that only.
No, this is for answer for question B and this is a space for
She's
answer
thinking
A.
that is largest and largest.
That she didn't notice the question number. That's why she's. See, this is the answer for question A and this is the answer for question B. I hope now it is clear.
Yes,
Now, Sribhadra, please unmute and read. Question number 16.
Write the smallest and largest of given numbers, compare them using the symbols.
Compare using the symbol. So, 2 questions are there. Only A you want to say the answer. Will you read question A?
Yes.
Ah.
7,000.
Hmm. 7,000.
21.
Yes.
7,822.
Hmm.
7,321.
Hmm.
7,429.
Hmm.
7,676.
Okay. So first you have to find out which is the smallest one. Smallest. Every number has 4 digits.
Yes.
Ah. Then what do you have to do?
Check sense digits.
Check which place digits?
What digit?
1,000 place digits. Yes. Okay. So here 1,000 place digits are
Same.
same. So what we have to do?
Hundreds,
We
please.
have to check 100 place digits.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I didn't understand the question.
First you have to find the greatest and smallest number among these given numbers. That much have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
And in between we have to, after that, using the symbol less than or greater than, we have to present that. That I will show you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So dear, 100 place digits we are going to compare. Here for the first number, how many hundreds are there?
0.
0. Then 800.
8.
800s. Then
300.
then
400.
then
600.
so which will be the least one? How many hundreds is the least?
7,000. 0.
0 So which will be the smallest?
7,000.
7,021. Yes, very good. It's 7,021. Okay. Now, which will be the greatest? How many hundreds will be the greatest?
8.
800s will be the greatest. So which number will be the greatest?
7,822.
Yes, 7,822. Okay. Now, dear children, they have told to compare using the symbol less than or greater than, equal to. Anyway, we can't use because we are selecting smallest and greatest number. So, their equal to symbol won't come. So, dear children, if you want to use less than symbol, you have to write the less number first. Here, the less number is 7,021. After that, greater number is 7,822. Then you can use the symbol less than. Otherwise, if you want to use the other symbol, you have to arrange reverse. You have to write 7,822 like 7,822 greater than 7,021. You can write as you like. No need to write both. Any one is enough.
Ma'am, in the textbook there is largest, ma'am. Write in the word greatest.
The both word is same. Largest and greatest word is same. Same meaning. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So either you can write use the less than symbol. If you are using less than symbol, you have to write the less number first. Smallest number.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. We can write greater also, no?
Yes. Either you can write greater than, otherwise you can write less than. But you should be careful when you are using the symbol. If you are using less than symbol, you should write the least number, smallest number first. If you are using greater than symbol, you should write the greatest number, largest number first. Is it clear to you, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Greatest. So, next question. Yes. Next question, Adidev MJ. Please unmute and read. Yes.
Ma'am, can I Ameya?
Ameya. Wait, dear. Wait, I'll give you a chance. Please wait. Yeah, last day you got chance, no, Ameya?
Yes.
Then some are there to get chance, so let them read. After that, I'll come.
Ma'am, I didn't get the
Yes,
chance.
I know. You all didn't get chance. Wait, you will get. Okay. Now, Adidev MJ, please unmute and read. Others, please mute your audio.
Get the chance.
Adidev.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. 16th question, B. Will you find the smallest and the largest numbers? Adidev.
Ma'am, 1368.
Yes. Smallest number is 1368. Correct it is. Do I want to repeat the rules again? Dear children, anybody is having any doubt regarding this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then, dear, which will be the largest number?
1486.
1486. Correct. Then this also you have to compare using less than or greater than symbol. If you want, you can use less than symbol. Otherwise, you can use greater than symbol. Okay. So all of you compare. For me, I am using here greater than symbol. So you will be, if you are using greater than symbol, greater number. If you are using open mouth, you should write the greater number first, like this. Okay, thank you, Aditya. Correct it is. Next. Now, sorry?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you write for this question A greatest and you write for B largest.
No, dear. This is the answer for A. This is the answer for B. And if you are, yes, here I am written greatest. Okay. If you want, you can write the question. It is largest. Largest and greatest, the words are same. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. If you want, you can write largest. No problem. Anne Maria. Now try to unmute. Yes. Now will you read question number 16? Sorry, 17.
Yes. Arrange 4,305 for 4,005 and
4,000?
and 5
4,906, 4,005. Okay. Then?
and then 4,126 in ascending order.
Yes.
And write the smallest number.
Yes. What is ascending order, dear?
Biggest.
To biggest.
Smallest to biggest.
Biggest.
Arrangement of numbers from smallest to biggest. So what do you have to find out here? The
Smallest number.
yes, smallest number. Dear student, in the next page, you have the space to write the answer. So you can take the next page, page number 21. There you can see the space to write answer. So
Ma'am.
first, everybody find
Ma'am.
out the smallest number in that.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the first number is
Let her
4,000.
say, don't say answer. Let Anne Mary say. Dear. Dear. Now again muted.
No,
Okay. What will be the smallest number? These are the given numbers. I will write the given numbers. Here all the numbers are how many digits, dear? Same number of digits. How many digits are there?
4 digits.
4 digits. 4,305. Then 4,906. Then 4,005. Then 4,126. All numbers are 4 digits. Then what do you want to do, dear?
And this is 17 the question.
Yes, question number 70.
Okay, ma'am.
So what do you want to do? Huh?
Ma'am,
Yes.
we want to look at the digit
Which digits?
4,000.
Thousands place digit. So here, first number has 4,000. Second number also has 4,000. Next, all the numbers have 4,000. What we do then? What do you do then?
Look at the
Ah,
100.
yes, we have to check the 100 place. Okay. Then, for the first number, how many hundreds are there?
3,
3. Then, next number,
9,
9 hundreds. Then,
0,
0 hundreds. Then,
1.
1. And thus, which is the smallest?
4, 0.
0 hundred. So, which number will be the smallest among these?
4,005.
4,005. So, 4,005 will come first. Okay. So, after that, so this one we have written, we can cross it. Then we have 300s, 900s, 100. Again, we have to select the
Ma'am, you are writing in 20. Answer
Oh, sorry,
20.
sorry. Oh, yes. 4,000. Okay. Now, next what will come, dear?
Look at the
No, see here, 100 place digits are different.
ma'am. 4,009 and 6.
Sorry? We have to arrange these numbers in the ascending order. So, now we selected the smallest one and we crossed that. Now again, from the remaining 3 numbers, again we have to select the smallest one. So, which will be the smallest?
4,126.
Very good. 4,126. After writing that, we can cross. That's why I told you
Ma'am,
to
I
keep a rough
finished.
book with you. These things
Ma'am,
you
I
can do in
finished.
the rough book.
Ma'am,
And
I am
only you want to
already
write in the
finished.
workbook. Okay.
Ma'am, I
Now,
finished.
next
I
what will
finished.
come, dear? Next which will be the
4,000.
smallest from these 2 numbers. Which will be the smallest?
Ma'am, 4,305.
5. 4,305. Okay. Then, last, what will come? Which is, what number is remaining?
4,906.
Yes, 4,906. And you have to find the smallest number also, isn't it?
Yes.
Which will be the smallest number?
4,005.
Yes, when we are arranging in ascending order, the first number will be the smallest. So, dear children, I don't have space over here because I have written in big letters. So, I will be writing here. You have to adjust and write, and you have to write the answer the same place. Smallest number 4005. Okay. Dear children, will you do question number 20 as homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Only to write the numbers in ascending and descending
Ma'am.
order.
Okay,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes,
The
dear.
time is
And
up.
dear
Ma'am.
children, please keep in mind,
The time
once
is
you
up.
arrange the numbers in ascending order, it's
Ma'am.
very easy to arrange in descending order. Why?
Ma'am.
Ah,
Ma'am, can you give that 18th and 19th also?
no, dear. We can discuss and do here. Yes,
Ma'am.
dear.
If we find ascending order, then
Ah.
we keep first, then we got the descending order.
We have to reverse and write. Then it will be. We have to write
Descending
the
order.
greatest number first. Like that, we have to write the reverse order. Then it will be correct. So once
Yes.
you arrange it in ascending order, write the numbers in the reverse order. Then it will be the descending order.
Descending order.
Yes. So I hope you all will do this.
Ma'am.
Ah,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
okay.
Yes.
Yes, dear.
Ma'am, very easy. Yes, ma'am.
Very easy. Dear children, I will be giving a test paper next week. We complete this.
Ma'am.
Next week.
Ma'am.
3.2 test paper will be conducted. So I am able to complete these questions.
Ma'am.
Ah,
On
Ma'am,
Monday.
here is
Ma'am.
raining. Ma'am, here is raining.
Ma'am. On Monday.
some words are
Ma'am,
breaking
are
here. I
you
can't
telling
understand.
time out?
The test.
Next, I will say, okay, when we complete this chapter 3.2, when we complete this section, I will announce in advance. Okay. Then only I will
Ma'am.
test paper.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank
Okay,
you, my
ma'am.
dear children. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. I love you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, 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 bye,
See you next
bye.
day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am.